Hello students, my name is Jatin and we were doing chapter 6 of class 10th called triangles. We have already done basic proportionality theorem and related questions in the part 1. In case if you have not seen that video, please check the link in the description. And in this part we are going to do about similarities in triangles. Okay, so let's begin. So what are similar figures? So let's understand similar figures. So similar figures are those figures which have same shape but may or may not have same sizes. Okay, so which have same shape but may or may not have same sizes, right? So let me draw two figures, right? So this is first triangle and this is second triangle. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. Why they are similar? Because they have same shape, right? They have same shape. Both these are triangles only and both have three sides. Okay, so they have same shape but they are of different sizes, right? They have different size. Okay, the first triangle is smaller and the second triangle is somewhat bigger, right? So they are similar figures. Okay, so they have different sizes, right? Even if they have same sizes, okay, with same shape, even if they have same sizes, then also they will be similar figures. Okay, so can I say that all congruent figures, now about congruency you must have studied in your class 9th, okay, and I will not repeat it. So all congruent figures, let me write one line, same shape as well as same sizes. Right, so same shape and same size, all congruent figures are similar figures. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose if I draw two circles, right? So one is this and the second is this circle, right? So the first circle is smaller and the second circle is bigger. Okay, so both have same shape, right? Both have same shape. Why? Because they both are circles only. Okay, so they both have same shape, right? But they are of different sizes. They have different size. The first circle is smaller and the second circle is bigger. So these two figures are similar figures, right? So if they would have of same sizes, then also they will be similar figures, right? Suppose if I draw two squares of same size, right? So both these squares are of same size and they are squares only, so they have same shape also. So same shape and same sizes, even if they are also similar. Okay, so these two conditions are there for similarity between two figures, right? So all the similar figures have same shape but may or may not have same sizes, right? I hope you have got it. Now in this chapter we have to study only about triangles. Okay, so the next topic is properties of similar triangles. Okay, because in this chapter we have to study only about triangles. Okay, so properties of similar triangles. Suppose both these triangles are similar. Okay, let me draw two triangles. Okay, so this is first triangle and this is second triangle. So let's name it ABC and DEF, right? So the first property is, if they both are similar triangles, because both are triangles only, both have three sides. Okay, so both are similar. Okay, so their angles should be equal. What it means? Angle A should be equal to angle D, angle B should be equal to angle E, and angle C should be equal to angle F. Okay, so if there are both similar triangles, then their angles will also be equal. And the second property, the ratio of their sides are also equal. So what do I mean by ratio of sides? Let me write it. So AB of first triangle should be the ratio of AB with DE, right, should be equal to the ratio of BC, and EF should be equal to the ratio of AC with DF. Okay, so I have to take AB from left triangle, then DE from the right triangle, right, and BC from left triangle and EF from the right triangle. and AC from left triangle and DF from the right triangle. So the ratio of these sides should be equal. Okay, so when these two conditions are fulfilled, then we can say that the triangles are similar. Okay, now let us move on to criteria for similarity. So in the congruency we have criteria na, ASA, SAS, triple S and RHS and so on, right? So for the similar figures also we have criteria. यार क्या है, ठीक है, there are 4 criteria. Okay, so the first criteria is AA and the second criteria is SAS, third criteria is triple S and the fourth criteria is triple A. Okay, so let me draw 2 triangles first. So this is first triangle and this is second triangle, and let us study about angle similarity, the criteria for the angle similarity. Let's name it A, B and C, D, E and F. Okay, so if angle A is equal to angle D and if angle B is also equal to angle E, if both these two angles are equal, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, even if two angles are equal in both the triangles, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. The third angle will be automatically equal na, the third angle will be automatically equal. Why? Angle C will be equal to angle F, that we will do in the AAA criteria. Why? Because of angle sum property, because the summation of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so by angle similarity, we can angle criteria, we can say that both these triangles are similar. Now if they are similar, the ratio of their side should be equal. So I can say by CPCT, AB upon DE should be equal to BC upon EF should be equal to AC upon DF. I hope you have got this. Okay, now the next criteria is of SAS, side angle side. Okay, now suppose if AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF and angle A is angle D. Okay, this angle A is angle equal to angle D. Okay, then we can say by side angle side criteria that these two triangles are similar. Okay, angle should be in middle of these two sides. Okay, I have taken AB from left wala triangle and DE from the right wala triangle and AC and DF. Okay, so that the angle lies between these two sides, right? So the angle should not be like ए बी, आपने ले लिया बी और एंगल ई और साइड आप ले रहे हो ए बी और ए सी. ठीक है, अगर आपने साइड, इफ़ यू हैव टेकन साइड ए बी एंड ए सी, then you have to take angle A and D. Okay, then you have to take angle A and angle D. Okay, I hope you have got it. Now with side criteria, what is side criteria? Simple, AB upon DE should be equal to BC upon EF should be equal to AC upon DF. Okay, even if this criteria fulfills, then we can say that both these triangles are similar, and this is the criteria of triple S. Okay, now angle similarity, angle criteria is if all the three angles are equal, then we can say that both these triangles are similar. Okay, so these are 4 criteria for similarities. Okay, you will get it more clear when we will do question. So let's do some question. Okay, so question number 1 is in figure, let me write it. Okay, in figure QA and PB are perpendiculars to AB. If AO is 10 centimeter, BO is 6 centimeter and PB is 9 centimeter, find AQ. Okay, and the figure is like this. So this is line, this is the figure. Okay, where angle, this angle and this angle are of 90 degree. A, Q, O, P and B. Okay, now what is given to us? AQ and PB, AQ and PB are perpendicular on AB, right? If AO is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter which is given to us. BO is 6 centimeter, okay. PB is 9 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. Find AQ, we have to find AQ, this AQ, okay. Now in triangle, similar in the same way that we were doing in congruency, okay. In triangle AOQ, if I have taken AOQ, naming is very important in this chapter, okay. If I have taken AOQ, then I have to take triangle BOP, ठीक है. You cannot, you know, reverse the sides as you wish, okay. You cannot do that, okay. If you have taken AOQ, then you have to take BOP. If you will take AQO, then you will take BPO, right? So naming is very important, the order is very important, okay. Now we have to prove similarity in both these triangles, okay. Now how can we prove? So can I say angle OAQ is equal to angle OBP because both are of 90 degree, and can I also say angle AOQ is equal to angle BOP because both are vertically opposite angles, right? So by angle criteria, can we say that both these triangles are similar? Yes. Now what is the symbol for similarity? The symbol is triangle AOQ, similar का symbol ये है, similar to BOP, okay. Now if they both are similar, so can we equate the ratio of sides? So now you can pick the ratio from the naming also, AO upon BO, right? So AO upon BO should be equal to OQ, the last two, OQ upon OP should be equal to AQ अपॉन BP बाय CP CT, ये CP CT से इक्वल हो गए, ठीक है. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज़ एंड फाइंड AQ. हमें AO और BO पता है. AO हमारे पास 10 सेंटीमीटर है, BO 6 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड लेट्स दीज फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड हमने लिया, ठीक है. लेट्स टेक फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड, ओके. सो AO अपॉन BO इज 10/6 and AQ we don't know and BP is 9 centimeter, okay. So can we find AQ? Yes, AQ will be 90/6 centimeter, okay. So this was the first question. Now let's move on to question number 2. So question number 2 will be question number 2 कहाँ है? Okay. Yes, in figure, if angle ADE is equal to angle B, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC if AD is equal to 3.8 centimeter, AE is equal to 3.6 centimeter, BE is equal to 2.1 centimeter, and BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter, okay. So what is the figure? Figure is like this. ये एक ट्रायंगल है, and this is joint, and this is E, A, D, C and B. So this is the figure, and this is what is given to us. AD is given to us as 3.8, let's write it 3.8, AE is 3.6, BE is 2.1 and BC is 4.2. Now we need to find, we have to show we have to prove that both these triangles are similar, okay. So angle B, okay. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC we have to prove similarity, right? So the first thing is given to us, okay. Angle ADE is equal to angle B, right? It is given, and angle A is equal to angle A, common, right? Angle is common in both the triangles, right? So by angle criteria, can we say that both these triangles are similar? Okay, yes, we can say that both these triangles are similar, okay. If they are similar, can we write the ratio of their sides are equal? Yes, AD, pick first two, AD upon AB should be equal to last two, AE upon AC should be equal to DE upon BC by CP CT. Now put the values and find the answer. Can you do that? So we will take AE or AC. Yes, and we will take AE or BE. कहाँ है AD? ये रहा AD और ADE and AB. So let's write it. So DE we have no. Yes. Okay. So AD is given to us as 3.8. AB can I write AE plus BE? Can I write AB as AE plus BE from the figure? Please observe. Okay. And we have to find. We need to find what we need to find. Nothing. Okay. In this question, find DE. There is a question. Okay. Find DE. We have to find DE, right? So we have to take third wala part, this DE upon BC. So DE or BC, are we given BC? Yes, BC is 4.2. Okay, so all the values are given to you. You can easily find DE. Okay, so let me find it. So shall I rub it? Rub it. So 3.8, AE is 3.6, BE is 2.1 is equal to DE upon 4.2. Okay, so 3.8 into 4.2 upon में 5.7 is your DE. So calculate and find DE, right? Let's move on to question number third, another question. So question is, in figure AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD is equal to 1 by 2 and AB is 5 centimeter. Find DC. Okay, and the triangle on this figure is, एक ट्रेपीजियम हमें दिया है. शिट, चलो खुद से बना लेते हैं. ये रहा. And so assume these as straight lines. Okay, A, B, O, D and C. Now we have to find DC. Okay, so DC is where? Here is DC. We need to find this red wali line. Okay, so in triangle we will take two triangles, right? In triangle AOB, if I have taken AOB, then I have to take COD. Okay, please keep this in mind. Keep the order in a proper way, right? So this is a trapezium. Okay, and AO upon OC, AO upon OC we are given, and BO upon OD we are given. Okay, so AO upon OC is equal to BO upon OD, that is given. Okay, both these are of 1 by 2, that's why. Okay, and can I say angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles? So can I say by SAS लग रहा है ना, देखो angle should be in between of two sides. Okay, so by SAS in both the triangles, can I say these triangles are similar? So angle AOB is similar to angle COD. So if I can say that these two triangles are similar, then by CPCT can I say the ratio of their sides should be equal? Yes, AO upon OC should be equal to BO upon OD, and this should be equal to AB upon DC. Okay, now these both are 1 by 2. Okay, so BO upon OD is 1 by 2, and we need to find what? AB upon DC. So AB is given to us. AB is given to us as 5. Okay, so यहाँ से आप 1 by 2 is equal to 5 upon DC. You will get DC as 10 centimeter. So DC is 10 centimeter. Now let's do another question. Question number 4. With the question you are getting it more clear, right? So D is a point. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Please ignore that sound. Prove CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA, or CA का square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, the figure that we are given, this. ये एक फिगर है और उसके बाद यहाँ से ऐसा ट्राइंगल है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज एंगल डी बी सी A. Now what is given to us? D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So angle ADC, what is angle ADC? This is angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. ठीक है, both these angles are equal and prove that we have to prove CA upon CD. Okay, CA upon CD, please look into the figure. CA upon CD should be equal to CB. CB, this CB upon CA. CA is this. So which triangles we will take? Okay, we will take triangle ABC. See, this is ABC and DAC. So in triangle ABC, then I have to take triangle DAC. Why? Because both these angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. So I have kept in a proper order. Okay. See, angle ABC on this side ABC. Then we have to start from DAC. Okay. I hope you are getting it. Okay. Did I do it wrong? मेरे ख्याल से तो सही है. Such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So yes, everything is fine. C with C and A is equal to angle D. So I have kept it in a proper order. Okay. So in this triangle, please observe these two triangles. ABC को देखो और DAC को देखो, राइट वाला ट्राइंगल को देखो, ठीक है. So can I say angle ADC is equal to angle BAC? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. कहाँ है BAC? BAC तो इस तरफ है, ठीक है ना. तो BAC बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल में BAC, अरे बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल में BAC इज इक्वल टू एंगल ADC, राइट वाले ट्राइंगल का. ये राइट वाले ट्राइंगल का है, मैं लिख भी देता हूँ, राइट ट्राइंगल का, और ये बिगर ट्राइंगल का है. बिगर ट्राइंगल के दोनों साइड, दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं बिकॉज इट इज़ गिवन टू अस. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट एंगल ACB is equal to angle ACD because angle C is common in both the triangles, right? So can I say by angle criteria both these triangles are similar? By angle criteria ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Can I say that? If I can say that, so can I write the side ka ratio? AB upon DA should be equal to BC upon AC should be equal to BC हो गया AC upon DC, right? Now we need to take second and third. So if I take second and third, let me rub it because there it will not be visible to you. So if I take BC upon AC is equal to AC upon DC, so can I cross multiply now? BC into DC is equal to AC ka square. And did we prove or not what we need to prove? Okay, we need to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, we have proved it. Okay, now we will do one more question. क्वेश्चन तो आज बहुत करेंगे हम. क्वेश्चन So in triangle ABC, if DE is parallel to BC with D on AB and E on AC, if AD upon BD is equal to 2 by 3, find BC upon DE, right? So triangle is like this. You can also draw the triangle on your own because the explanation is very simple, right? So this is A, D, E, B and C. Now what is given to us? This is 2 by 3. What is given to us? So AD upon BD, right? This is 2 and this is 3 we are given. Okay, and DE is also parallel to EC. Okay, so we need to find BC upon DE. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, okay, ऊपर वाला ट्राइंगल ADE और नीचे बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल ABC में हम सिमिलैरिटी प्रूव करने की कोशिश करते हैं, ठीक है. नेमिंग देख लो, मैंने फिर दोबारा ऑर्डर से ही लिया हुआ है. एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल A, कॉमन, यस, एंड एंगल ADE equal to angle ABC? Can you tell me the reason why? Pause that video and please tell me the reason why these two angles are equal. Okay, so because DE is parallel to BC, so both these angles are corresponding angles. Okay, so by angle criteria, can we say that these two triangles are similar? Yes. So can I write AD upon AB should be equal to DE upon BC should be equal to AE upon AC, right? Okay, now we have to reach to BC. हमें BC तक पहुंचना है, तो इसको मिटा देते हैं AE अपॉन AC को, इसका कोई काम नहीं है, राइट? हमें BC अपॉन DE ही फाइंड करना है. सो BC अपॉन DE इज़ 2/3 ओनली. BC नहीं, ये रहा ना BC, 2/3 तो होगा ये. एक सेकेंड यार, यहाँ पे आंसर में तो 2/5 दिया हुआ है. जस्ट 1 सेकेंड यार, ये पूछा इसने BC अपॉन DE तो 2/3 होगा. जस्ट 1 सेकेंड. BC अपॉन डिफाइन BC अपॉन इफ AD अपॉन BD इज सॉरी, कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गई. ठीक है. एक सेकेंड, सब सही है. AD अपॉन AB इज इक्वल टू DE अपॉन BC. ओके, सॉरी. And we are given AD upon BD as 2/3. So can I write AD and AB as AD plus BD? Can I break AB into AD plus BD? Yes. If I can break AD, so AD is 2, and can I write AD plus BD as 2 plus 3 as 5, right? So DE upon BC will be equal to what? 2/5, and 2/5 is our correct answer. Okay, I hope you have got this. Now we will move on to next question. Next question is a vertical stick 12 meter long casts a shadow 8 meter shadow of 8 meter. Yes, shadow of 8 meter long on ground. At the same time a tower casts a shadow of 40 meter long on the ground. Okay, determine the height of tower. Determine the height of tower. Okay, so एक vertical stick है. So let's suppose this is a stick, vertical, right? And vertical stick is of 12 meter, and this casts a shadow on the ground of 8 meter. Okay, so on the ground, every stick is on the ground at the angle of 90 degree. Everyone knows that all the buildings stands on the ground at the angle of 90 degree. Okay, now here is the sun. Okay, and the angle of elevation with sun is some angle, right? Some angle alpha. Now suppose at the same time, it is talking about at the same time a tower is also there. So the can I say that the angle of elevation will be same? Why? Because this is talking about at the same time. So at the same time, for the sun will be same for both, na? The sun rays will be same for both. Okay, so angle of elevation with the sun will be same also. Okay, so let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F. Now in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF, can I say angle B is equal to angle E? Because that tower will stand on the ground with the ground at the angle of 90 degree. Okay, all the tower stands with the ground at the angle of 90 degree. Everyone knows that. Okay, and the vertical stick is also on the 90 degree, right? So both these angles are of 90 degree. You will write the complete name of these angles. Okay, I have applied shortcut. Okay, you will not do this like this, right? You will write complete naming. Let me write it also. angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Okay, this way you write. Okay, so both these are of 90 degree, and angle C should be equal to angle F, because the elevation of sun the angle of elevation with the sun should be same for both the figures. Okay, elevation with the sun. Okay, so by angle criteria, can I say that both these triangles are similar? Okay, if they both are similar, can I write the ratio of sides as equal? So AB upon DE should be equal to BC upon EF, BC upon EF, AB upon DE. yes, हमारा काम इसी से हो जाएगा. No need to write the third side. Okay, because we don't need that. So AB is 12, DE is DE only. We need to find DE only, right? BC is 8 and EF is, EF भी तो given है. Tower cast a shadow of 40 meter. Okay, EF is 40. So we need to find DE. DE is 12 into 40 upon 8. काट लो इसको, 60 आ गया. So tower की height is 60 meter. Okay, I hope you have got this question. Okay, let's move on to next question quickly, right? Okay, in figure ABCD is a trapezium. In a trapezium लिख दे डायरेक्ट, trapezium ABCD. AB is parallel to DC, understood, right? If triangle AED is similar to triangle BEC, prove that AD is equal to BC. Now let me draw. So this is a trapezium. Okay, AD is equal to BD, right? A B C, इसको O नेम दिया है, E दिया है, AE है, और ये. So we will start with in triangle EDC. देखो EDC and EBA, right? So in triangle EDC and triangle EBA, now how will you prove these two as similar? So angle AEB is equal to angle CED, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal, and angle B should be equal to angle D, right? Alternate interior angle, because AB is parallel to DC. Alternate interior angles, right? So can I say by angle criteria both these triangles are similar? Okay, if both these triangles are similar, then the ratio of sides should be equal. So ED upon EB should be equal to ED, हमने ED लिया ना यहाँ से, ED upon EB should be equal to EC upon EA, and this should be equal to DC upon BA. So this is first condition. Okay, write it, write till here. And the next triangle that we will take, so ED upon EB. So एक काम करते हैं हम ना, यहाँ से ED इसी को नीचे ले आते हैं और EB को उस तरफ भेज देते हैं. सो ED अपॉन EC इज इक्वल टू EB अपॉन EA. ओके, थर्ड वाले की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, इन दो फर्स्ट वाले में EB को उस तरफ भेज दो और EC को नीचे ले आइए. यस, वी कैन डू दैट. ओके, सो लेट मी रब इट नाउ. In triangle AED and BEC, AED, okay, this is AED, and if I have taken AED, then I have to take BEC. Okay, so in triangle AED and triangle BEC, okay, now these two triangles are, can we say that these two triangles are similar? If, कैसे कह सकते हो बताओ? by SAS criteria, because देखो angle BEC is equal to angle DEA, vertically opposite angle, right? And AE upon EC is equal to BE upon DC, DE. How? Okay, that we have proved. देखो AE कहाँ गया, ए ई अपॉन ई सी फर्स्ट में देखो, हमने पिछले वाले दो ट्राइंगल को जब सिमिलर प्रूफ किया था तो उन दोनों साइड का रेशो भी इक्वल कर दिया था ना, तो ए ई अपॉन ई सी इज इक्वल टू बी ई अपॉन ई डी। फर्स्ट में देखो यहाँ पे देखो ये दोनों को, राइट मैंने रिवर्स फॉर्म में लिखा है बस, और कुछ नहीं। सो यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे ये अगर दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो गए हैं, सो कैन आई से ए ई अपॉन बी ई इज इक्वल टू ए डी अपॉन बी सी is equal to ED upon EC. Yes, we have to prove that AD should be equal to BC. Okay, so AD और BC की ज़रूरत मुझे यहाँ पे पड़ेगी, right? So okay, EA upon EB is equal to ED upon EC, and ED upon EC we have taken, right? Okay, so this is equation 2 and this green वाली equation was equation 1. Okay, now observe here, one thing you need to observe, that here ED upon EC is equal to EB upon EA, right? And here also we have ED upon EC. Okay, here also we have ED upon EC, right? And here we have AE upon BE, right? And here we have AD upon BC. Yes, now what we should take, these two. Now AD अपॉन बी सी यहाँ से उठाओ, और कैन आई रिप्लेस ई डी अपॉन ई सी विद ई बी अपॉन ई ए। ओके, यहाँ से कुछ प्रूव हो रहा है, हमें ए डी की ज़रूरत तो पड़ेगी, ठीक है। सो इन्होंने क्या किया, ई ए मैंने ये पहले सॉल्व कर रखे हैं, बस थोड़ा याद नहीं है। सो यहाँ से हमें बी सी की ज़रूरत तो पड़ेगी, ठीक है। ई ए अपॉन ई बी को हम अगर हम लें, ई ए अपॉन ई बी इज़ इक्वल टू ई बी अपॉन, मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए ए डी के, ओके देखो यहाँ पे ई बी अपॉन ई ए, यही लेफ्ट वाला देखो, इज इक्वल टू ई डी अपॉन ई सी, राइट? एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू ए ई अपॉन बी ई, ठीक है। ए ई अपॉन बी ई के इक्वल है। सो ये देखो ए ई अपॉन बी ई यहाँ से उठाया मैंने, ठीक है। सो अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ई ए का स्क्वायर और बी ए का स्क्वायर भी इक्वल कर दें। कैन आई रिमूव इट, ई डी अपॉन ई सी? यस। नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, इफ़ यू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कैन यू राइट सी इन द राइट हैंड साइड, ई बी का स्क्वायर should be equal to AE का square? Yes, we can write like this. So EB should be equal to AE. Yes, if EB is equal to AE, if EB is equal to AC, AE sorry, AE है यहाँ पे. Yes, okay. We have proved EB as equal to AB. So let me rub it. Till now I hope you have got this. Okay. Now if EB is equal to AE, now let's take again these two condition, AE upon BE is equal to AD upon BC, right? So can I replace AE with EB, right? This AE should be replaced with AC. यहाँ से देखो third, so AE should be replaced with EB. So EB upon BE is equal to AD upon BC, right? And EB will get cancelled, so we are left with one only. So AD is equal to BC. ओके थोड़ा याद करना पड़ेगा प्रोसेस, मुझे भी याद करना पड़ा, आपको भी याद करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे ही इसको करना है। और दिस इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर एग्जामिनेशन। ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव गॉट ऑल दी स्टेप्स। ओके, नाउ वी विल मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। डू वी हैव मोर क्वेश्चंस? यस वी हैव। ओके, now again a very important, so we have two poles of height a meters, this is a meters and b meters respectively, are p meters apart prove that height of point of intersection of lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of opposite pole is given by AB upon में A plus B meters. Okay, and the diagram is like this. डायग्राम मैं डायरेक्टली बना लेता हूँ. So this is A, B, O. This is the point of intersection till L, and C, D, and this is B, and they are P meters apart. P meters apart. Okay. So first we will take in triangle ABC and triangle LOC. ठीक है, in triangle ABC and in triangle LOC. Let me shade it also. ABC ये पूरा and LOC, okay, ये वाला. ठीक है, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में हमें सिमिलैरिटी प्रूव करनी है. कैसे करेंगे? एंगल ए एंगल सी तो दोनों में कॉमन है. सो एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी कॉमन, राइट. डू वी हैव अनदर थिंग टू, कुछ तो होना चाहिए. कुछ 90 डिग्री में दिया हुआ है. CLO CAB. ओके, यस, दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. देखो पोल अगर खड़ा हुआ है तो 90 डिग्री पे तो ग्राउंड पे खड़ा होगा ना. okay, and the point on intersection also will be of 90 degree. okay, so angle CAB should be equal to angle CLO, right? Both are of 90 degree. So can I say by angle criteria both these triangles are similar? Can I say like this? Yes, if these both triangles are similar, so can I equate the ratio of these two sides? Okay, let me rub some portion of question. इसको तो प्रूव करना था, प्रूव वाला रहने देते हैं. को यहाँ पे मिटाते हैं. ओके, नाउ कैन आई से AB अपॉन LO शुड बी इक्वल टू AC अपॉन LC एंड BC अपॉन OC. ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हमें C अपॉन CL एंड AB अपॉन LO की ज़रूरत हमें पड़ेगी, राइट. ओके, दिस इज OL इज ऑफ H मीटर. OL is of H meter. Okay, so can I find some value? Let's take these two. So AC we know, AC is P meters. LC we know, LC is LC only, right? LC is LC only. And AB we know as A था ना AB, हाँ A, and LO is H. So can we find CL? CL is PH upon A. Yes, we have found CL. Now let me rub it. सिर्फ प्रूव वाला ये हमें प्रूव करना है. AB height is equal to AB A plus B meters. Okay, now we will take in triangle, ये वाले देंगे ना अब तो. In triangle ACD, and if I have taken triangle ACD, then I have to take triangle ALO. Now right wala triangle and the bigger wala triangle, right? So angle A is equal to angle A, common, and angle C is equal to angle OLA, 90 degree, because two poles are there. This angle is also of 90 degree. So can I say by angle criteria both these triangles are similar? If both these triangles are similar, can I write this side ka ratio? And this time we need to find. So AC upon AL is equal to AD upon AO is equal to CD upon AL. Now this time I have to take what is given to us. CD हमें चाहिए, ठीक है, सी डी हमें चाहिए होगा, सी डी अपॉन ए डी तो चाहिए ही, सी डी एंड ए डी, ओके। सी डी से क्या होगा, लेकिन इन्होंने क्या लिया है, ए एल अपॉन एल सी और ओ एल अपॉन ओ डी। ओ एल का है, सॉरी सॉरी मैंने कुछ गलत लिख दिया, तभी कन्फ्यूजन हो रही है। सी ए सी अपॉन ए एल शुड बी इक्वल टू सी डी अपॉन एल ओ, ओके। इन्हीं दोनों को उठाते हैं अभी तो, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड ए एल, सो ए एल इज़, ए एल फ्रॉम हेयर विल बी ए सी, ए सी इज़ पी, राइट, एल ओ is H and CD is B. So we have found AL, right? Okay, now let me rub this. So we have found AL, we have found CL, okay. So this is CL, sorry, light color, this is CL and this is AL, okay. Now add these both, now add it, okay. So let me rub it, per wala part. So on rubbing, oh sorry, on adding AL and CL, we will get PH upon B plus PH upon A. And can you see that AL plus CL is nothing but AC only, and AC is nothing but P only. So can I write P is equal to, और यहाँ से P कॉमन ले लो, H कॉमन नहीं ले सकते ना, PH दोनों कॉमन ले सकते हैं, यस, PH 1 अपॉन B प्लस 1 अपॉन A, 1 upon A, right? Now P and P will get cancelled, okay. Now here 1 will be left, 1 is equal to H A plus B A B, and H को यहीं रहने दो, A B और A plus B को उस तरफ ले जाओ, तो A plus B will go in denominator and A B in the numerator, and H is equal to this, and this is what we need to prove also, okay. We have proved it, okay. This is also a very important question, okay. So do we have more questions? बाकी सब तो कर ही लिए हैं. One more question I'll do. Okay, the rest question you will do from NCERT also. Okay, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC and D is a point. D is a point on AC such that BC square is equal to AC into CD. Prove that BD is equal to BC. Okay, let me draw the figure. So figure is like this. A, D, C and B. Now how will you start? So we have BC square is equal to AC upon into CD, okay, and AB is equal to BC and AB is equal to AC या BC, हाँ AC ये given है ना, and this is what is given to us. So यहाँ से BC को BC upon AC लिख दो और एक BC उसके नीचे ले जाओ तो CD upon BC हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Okay, and ABC is an isosceles triangle. If ABC is an isosceles triangle, so any two angles should be equal. So let's say angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Now if you can see in triangle कौन से दो triangle लेंगे यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे हम लेंगे 20, पहले तो बड़ा वाला लेना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. So we will take triangle BCA and triangle CDA. BCA and triangle कैसे लेंगे? BCA और BCA अगर हमने लिया है यहाँ से BCA, राइट, देन वी हैव टू टेक DCB. DCB तो एंगल C कॉमन होना चाहिए, ठीक है, और एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल सी, तो छोड़ दो उसको, तो एंगल सी तो कॉमन है ना दोनों में, ठीक है। ओके, ऑल राइट, सो these two triangles are similar, we have proved. How? See, BC upon AC, so this is BC and this whole is AC, so BC of this DCB and AC of बड़ा वाला triangle is equal to CD. CD of this is equal to what? BC. Yes, BC. Okay, and both these angles are also equal. See, angle lies between these two sides. देखो मैं यहाँ पे ना आपको दिखा देता हूँ अच्छे से। एक साइड हमारे पास हमने यहाँ से उठाई है और एक साइड हमने यहाँ से उठाई है, और इन दोनों के एंगल देखो बीच में, ये रहा एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल B, राइट, यू कैन वेरी वेल ऑब्जर्व। ओके, BCA और DCB, right, so BC upon DC, if angle B is equal to angle C, okay, so यहाँ तो मैं भी खुद कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ। सो हमने गिवन कंडीशन ही ली है और BC हमने उनका उठाया है, ठीक है। सो BC अगर हमने उनका उठाया है तो BC अपॉन DC, सो BC अपॉन AC शुड बी इक्वल टू DC CD अपॉन, पहले ना दोनों ट्राइंगल को ना हम अलग अलग बना ले क्या, तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा मान ले, तो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को ना हम सेपरेट कर देते हैं, चलेंगे लॉजिक से ही। ये है दो ट्राइंगल, ठीक है, और ये है ABC और ये है BCD। नाउ पिक्चर विल बी मोर क्लियर। सो दिस एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C, राइट, एंड वी हैव टेकन BC upon AC, so this is BC, right, सॉरी यहाँ से ले लेते हैं BC को, BC और ये रहा AC, ठीक है। BC अपॉन AC इज इक्वल टू CD, CD ये रहा एंड BC इज हेयर, ओके, एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल C कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा फिर हमें, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल, तो यहाँ पे ना हम चेंज कर लेते हैं इसको, एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल C इज कॉमन, देन ओनली SAS विल अप्लाई ना, देन ओनली SAS विल अप्लाई। ओके, सो बाय साइड एंगल साइड वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट side angle side we have proved that both these triangles are similar. Which triangles? BCA and DCB. Okay, so BCA and DCB. Again I am confused with the naming. BC upon DC plus CA upon CB should be equal to BA upon BD. See, naming is right or wrong? Not. नेमिंग तो B, अगर हमने यहाँ से BCA उठाया, BCA, देन आई हैव टू टेक BCA triangle is similar to triangle DCB. If both these triangles are similar, can I say the ratio of these two sides are equal? Right. So BC upon DC should be equal to CD upon CA upon, अगर हमने BC अपॉन DC उठाया तो BA, तो यहाँ से CA अपॉन CB, राइट, एंड AB अपॉन DB। ओके, नाउ CA एंड CB तो ऐसे ही रहने दो, इज इक्वल टू AB upon BD. Now this CA is equal to AB. Both these are equal, so can we cut these two? Because both these are equal, and we have got BD is equal to BC. This is what we need to prove. Okay, so we have proved it. So again, this was an important question. Okay, and with this question we are done with all the questions of similarities. Okay, the process you have to remember. Okay, keep practicing again and again. Okay, some process you have to remember, then after this step I have to do this step. Okay, then only you can do these type of questions. Okay, with the more practice with your NCERT, right? Do questions from the NCERT also. Those questions are easy. These are somewhat tough question because I have taken these questions from the RD Sharma. Okay, so here we are done with the similarities and the all related questions. Okay, and the next topic will be of Pythagoras. Okay, so let's wait for that video. Thank you so much.